Ever pondered the enigma that is passive ETFs? Or how to invest in them using Vanguard? Well, it's time to demystify these questions. Passive ETFs, or exchange-traded funds, are investment vehicles designed to replicate the performance of a specific index, like the S&P 500, rather than trying to outperform it. The allure of these funds lies in their typically lower fees, diversification, and a long-term approach to investing. However, be aware that they carry market risk, as returns will mirror the ups and downs of the index. Begin by paying a visit to the Vanguard website to explore their range of ETFs. Key factors to consider are fund objectives, historical performance, expense ratios, and risk level. Compare different ETFs to find those that align best with your investment goals. Next, take a moment to assess your investment goals and risk tolerance. Are you investing for retirement, saving for a home, or something else? Understand your comfort with risk. Vanguard offers ETFs ranging from conservative to aggressive. Once you've done that, it's time to open a brokerage account. Register on Vanguard's website, provide personal information and financial details, and choose the type of account that suits your needs. Now you're ready to fund your account. Link your bank account and transfer money to your Vanguard account. Remember, some ETFs may require a minimum investment. With your account funded, you're ready to purchase ETFs. Use Vanguard's platform to find the ETFs you decided on, choose the number of shares, and place a buy order. Then, keep an eye on it to ensure your order is executed. Once you've made your purchase, the journey doesn't end. Regularly monitor your ETF's performance. Periodically adjust your holdings to maintain your desired asset allocation. Consider investing a fixed amount regularly to reduce the impact of volatility, a strategy known as dollar cost averaging. Bear in mind the tax implications of your investments. Be aware of any taxes on dividends or capital gains. It may be wise to consult a tax professional for advice. Finally, review and adjust your investment strategy regularly or after major life changes. Change your ETF selections if your goals or risk tolerance change. A couple of additional tips. Continue to educate yourself about ETFs and investment strategies. Aim to keep costs low, as one advantage of ETFs, especially with Vanguard, is the low expense ratio. Remember, ETFs are generally best suited for long-term investing. Before making investment decisions, it may be beneficial to consult with a financial advisor, especially if you're new to investing. By following these steps, you're on your way to building a diversified portfolio with Vanguard passive ETFs. Remember, investing always involves risk, and it's important to invest in a way that aligns with your financial goals and risk tolerance.